Hi there, we're here with Francis Thornhill from Konica Minolta. You were talking earlier on today to the delegates. What was the main message you were getting across to people for those that weren't there?
So it was a great event today, fantastic. There's real engagement, a large audience. I think for me the main message was that there's huge interest in the possibilities of automation and intelligent automation in AP and beyond. But people are really struggling to make it tangible, and that's because true transformation is across people, process and technology. You need to take that assessment, map your existing processes, people and also your technology, and then identify the gaps and base your future state on that and also your business requirements. So it's about the approach. It has to be across people, process and technology. It's not just a bit of software that people are buying. And there's some interesting new technologies that we're showcasing today as well.
And that's great, and I understand showcasing those in the workshops and demonstrations, and you've had lots of delegates coming to you. Are there any particular sort of frequently asked questions or pain points that are coming to you today?
Where to start? Really, honestly, we've got a digital download which is a step-by-step guide to starting AP automation and digital transformation, and that is by far the most popular download. And people understand that automation is there, they even understand that intelligent automation is there, but they just don't know where to start. And that's why it's important to engage with the right partner who will take them on that journey and has the right end-to-end capabilities to ensure that they get what they want. It all has to start off with their people, process and technology.
I know it's been a busy day today, but you have had time to actually listen to some of the other speakers today. Have there been any that particularly stood out, and any reason why?
Yes, the first slot, which was Claire Lomax, I found that really inspirational. But also to see the Centre of Excellence for Royal Mail is best practice for any automation or intelligent automation platform to have a centre of excellence, to retain that ownership and control within the organisation, but always looking for new opportunities for process improvement and automation. And this is what we do as well, and it's good to see that. It's really good sharing of best practice.
Thank you, Francis. One last thing, if people wanted to get hold of you, what's the best way to do it? I presume you're on LinkedIn, are you on Twitter?
That's it, we're on LinkedIn, we're on Twitter, we've got our website. Yeah, please just get in touch with myself or the team.
That's great. Thanks for your time, Francis. Have a good day.